Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. And guys, I just randomly checked the Alienware.com and guess what I found? The Alienware Aurora R13 and R13, guys. It's here. It's like an early Christmas, man. Let's check out the specs, shall we? I say we shall. So basically, the R13 will feature the Intel CPU and NVIDIA graphic cards, while the R14 will be all AMD. And if you are the N card, then you go R13. If you are the A card, you go for the R14. So in my case, I'm going for the R13. So let's check out the specs. So there are 3 CPUs for us to choose from: i5, i7, and 9. And this time they only have 3 CPUs for us to choose from. It doesn't have the F and then K. Now it's just KF. And the system is Windows 11. And for the graphic cards, lowest we can go 1650 Super, 4GB. So the basic model is about $1,500. And the highest you can go is 3090 with 24GB video RAM. That's insane. And now we got 3080 Ti. And for middle range, you can go 3060, 3060i, or 3070. And memory wise, there are quite a few options you can choose from. The lowest is 8GB with 4400 MHz DDR5. All of it is DDR5. And the highest you can go is 3600 MHz with 128GB dual channel. For me, I think 32 or even 64 is a perfect spot for gaming. You don't need anything like beyond that. It's overkill. The hard drive, they also got a single drive or the dual drive. If you're getting the R13 or R14, I suggest you just go with a single drive for your boot up, and then you add a extra space later on. And for the chassis, they still have the dark side of the moon and the lunar light. The lunar light is my favorite color, and I'm glad they still use that color for the R13. And this time, it doesn't have air cooled anymore. All model you can choose from is liquid cooled, which is really good. That will really help your temperature. And this time they have this cryo tech that seems really interesting. And also the best part is we got a clear side panel. Now we can see and enjoy our setup. Wireless card, of course, you're gonna choose killer if you're gonna use wireless. Otherwise, choose this one to save $20. Keyboard, mouse, you need it, you get it. You don't need it, save that $10. And there's a back cover that can cover up all your cables. And the Alienware R13 still features 2 colors: the dark side of the moon and the lunar light. And guys, something just incredible. Look at this. Is this amazing? First time ever Alienware actually has their case with a tempered glass. And now we can see through the case to see the build that we have. This is incredible, guys. This is amazing. And also they have another special components for the R13 or R14 is this back cover, the cable cover. So this guy will make you cable management absolutely sick. It's gonna cover up all the cables in here and give you this really cool looking, well, you still have your airflow. This is just incredible, man. This is big improvement. I like this part, especially the tempered glass on the side panel. This is sick, man. So this is what they claim the biggest improvement, which is the revolutionary design. Because from R10, R11, R12, they all look the same. And now finally they changed the case, and now it looks awesome than ever before. Their new case design, they have improved their airflow. And also they claim that they improved their temperature as well. So this is the 3 biggest improvement that they have done for this R13 and R14. And this R13 just looks amazing, man. And guess what, guys? I just pulled the trigger for you. We got the Alienware Aurora R13 ordered, guys. And of course, it is the lunar light. And we have the 12th gen 12700KF processor paired with 3080 and 32GB of dual channel DDR5 RAM at 4400 MHz, and single drive with 1TB M2 SSD, and the liquid cooled with their most updated technology, the cryo tech. And also I ordered the rear cable cover. And the best of the best, we have the clear side panel. And now we just have to wait. Hopefully they can ship out our order as soon as possible so I can have it unboxed and review with you guys. And overall, guys, technology updates so quickly. We can't just always catch the newest technology. And for any of you guys who purchased the R12 not long ago, maybe yesterday or a week ago or a month ago, don't be sad. Don't be like, no, I just purchased the R12. Why the R13 is here now? And you super regret. Don't do it. Because the machine that you have right now, it is still worth the money and effort that you put in. And it still has the same performance as the day you purchased it. It doesn't drop the value because the R13 is here. It will still do the job for you. So just don't struggle. But if you purchased the R12 not long ago, like a week or 2 weeks or so, and you want the most updated technology, you may consider to return it and get R13. And now, as usual guys, let's go to the Video League giveaway. And guys, welcome back to the Video League giveaway. To enter the giveaway is really simple and free. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything like this. And also leave the comment in my most recent video. And the next winner might be you. And now, let's see who is the lucky one. Dun, 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 dun. Congratulations, Zumo Mobile or Mobile. Congratulations, dude. Alright guys, so that is pretty much everything for this video. Thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.